Hello everyone! Welcome back to your channel, Child Prosperity. Today we're going to learn how to enable parental controls. On YouTube, both laptop or desktop, and mobile, to make sure your kids and youth are safe while browsing online. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more parenting tips and tricks. In this video, we will learn to master 3 types of parental control. Apply whichever is easier for you. Number 1, parental control of YouTube app and web version from laptop and mobile. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and go to YouTube. Make sure you're logged into your account. In the top right corner, you'll see your profile picture. Click on it. In a little bit scroll down. Here you'll find the restricted mode option, which helps hide potentially mature videos. Toggle the switch to turn it on. Restricted mode is now enabled. This will apply to this browser only. To be absolutely sure, log back into the YouTube web and see if it's turned on. Yes, it is now in on mode. First of all, open YouTube app from your mobile. Make sure you're logged into your account. Where you'll see your profile picture, just click on, in the top right corner, you'll see Settings option. Click on it. This will see you to your account settings page. On the left-hand side, you'll see a So Many option. Little bit scroll down and click on General option. Now scroll down. Here you'll find the restricted mode setting, which helps hide potentially mature videos. Now toggle the switch to turn it on. Number 2, safe search from all type of Google account. Turn on safe search for your Google account. Google owns YouTube, so this option transfers over to YouTube and Google searches. First, open your browser and type www.google.com preferences. Here you will see So Many option. Now scroll down and where you will see Safe Search option. Just click here and you can see 3 option. Filter. Option is not safe for kids. Blur also same. And finally, now you will click off button. Now your kids is protected from all kinds of adult issues. Number 3, use YouTube Kids app for children and youth. Use YouTube Kids instead of the YouTube app. If you can keep your kids on the YouTube Kids app, which is designed for kids 12 and under, it is less likely to contain mature content of any kind. There are many videos for children and youth that are safe for them. Open your browser and got website www.youtubekids.com. Now you will see 2 options, I am a kid and I am a parent. You can click any one what you want. I log in as a parent, so I click on I am a parent. Click Next button. Now input your age. Click Show, Text button, or Next button. Click Next. Now add your account and sign in. Now click on I agree button and proceed.
Now you will see 3 option preschool option, which for age for kids, then younger option which is for age 5 to 8 children, and last one is older which is 9 to 12 age children. Select any one of the following. There are many videos for children that are safe for them. And that's it. You've successfully enabled parental controls on YouTube. Your kids can now enjoy a safer viewing experience. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with other parents. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.